Hello everyone. I am Glenetta Haymon with Haymon Law Office, where we protect your brand, your business, and your family. Today I wanted to chat with you about trademarks and a very popular movie that I'm sure a lot of you have seen, and if you have not, now is the time because it's right around Christmas time and it's one of my favorite Christmas movies. It's not my ultimate favorite, but I just wanted to talk to you about trademarks and movies today. So get ready for some quick learning. In case you don't know who I am, again, I'm Glenetta Haymon with Haymon Law Office, and here at Haymon Law Office, we provide trademark, copyright, and business law services to small business owners and entrepreneurs. So, hopping right into the material, it's around Christmas time. You probably can't tell because I have on short sleeves, but I'm indoors, so I can do that. We want to talk about one of our favorite movies, A Christmas Story. So, I know that some of you all have seen it, or most of you all probably should have seen it, but the story, A Christmas Story, it actually came out in 1983, and I know you guys probably remember with Ralphie and the BB gun, but it was set in the 1940s. It's owned by Turner Entertainment, which is a subsidiary of Warner Brothers Studios. So you all know in the movie where Ralphie, he really wanted this BB gun. That was the premise of the movie, and he tries to convince his parents and all the teachers and even Santa at the mall that he needed a BB gun for Christmas. So that was the premise of the movie, and you all probably remember some highlights about the lamp leg and the bunny outfit that he got for Christmas. But how is all that related to trademarks? So I'm going to bring that all in for you. So when I looked up A Christmas Story on the TSDR, which is the trademark website, I noticed that it was a very interesting finding. So there were several marks called A Christmas Story, actually registered on the principal register. And they were in several different classes, and majority of them, but one, were owned by Turner Entertainment, which, like I said, is a subsidiary of Warner Brothers, who, of course, made the movie. So there was a class for clothing, and I imagine, it was a design mark with the wreath and the Christmas story. There's the plain word mark, like we talk about often, with a Christmas story. Also in class 25 with clothing. And then there were other classes such as class 9 with computer software, class 28 for gaming and machines, and class 41 for entertainment. So all of those classes, and also class 28 for toys. So all those classes were registered on the USPTO's website under A Christmas Story, and three of them were just plain word marks, and the other was a design mark with the actual Christmas wreath, very typical of, a Christmas story. If you look at like the I was going to say the VHS, the DVD box, or the beginning of the movie where you see a Christmas story, that is the mark that's registered. However, there was one mark with A Christmas Story that did not belong to Turner Entertainment, and that was registered under a different class altogether. So what I'm trying to tell you all is that you can have a similar mark, but registered under a different class as long as it's not speaking to the same audience. So there was a word mark. Um, Actually, it was a design mark. It was kind of in weird font for dinnerware, Tupperware, by an international China company, and that was actually registered by the USPTO. So surprisingly, there was one that was not owned by Turner Entertainment, and I forgot to mention the very important mark that was registered by Turner Entertainment, slipped my mind, is under Class 11. Table desks, lamps, anything having to do with lamps. That was also registered. So I know you all remember the infamous leg lamp in the movie. So class 11 was also registered under A Christmas Story for lamps and desk lamps and table lamps. So that is the information I wanted to give you. I know, very cool random information, but A Christmas Story is an actual registered trademark owned by Turner Entertainment and one owned by an international China company for dinnerware. So, fun fact for you today. If you are interested in learning more about how to register a trademark, if you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or someone who needs to protect their brand, please feel free to book a consultation with me. It's 15 minutes, it's free, and you can chat with me about what you plan to do with your business. All right, thank you. Again, I am Glennetta Haymon with Haymon Law Office. Hopefully, you have a wonderful day.